Welcome to Cottage Necessities. Today we're making a Mirepoix, and that's French for flavor base made from diced vegetables cooked in butter, oil, or fat for a long time without coloring or browning.
Half an onion here. I've got 4 carrots, which may be more than normal, but I'm going to add a lot of extra carrots because I'm making beef stew. And I've got 2 celery. I've also got leeks and fennel. Those are optional. You can use other root vegetables like turnips, but for a mirepoix, basically it's celery, carrots, and onion.
Mirepoix is cooked on a low to medium heat with intention to sweeten and bring out the flavor of the ingredients rather than caramelize them. We're going for translucence here.
Okay, so I've added the mirepoix and stirred it up here. Got the peas and the bay leaves in there.
As you can see, Mirepoix is great for stews, soups, stocks, and sauces. The ingredients can vary depending on region and culture. Please try making some Mirepoix today and enjoy. Thank you for visiting Cottage Necessities. Please hit subscribe, like, and please do come back again.